Nutrition and food plays a very major role in our all the lifestyle. पहले के जमाने में जो बीमारियां होती थी that was due to some major epidemics हो गया या फिर major bacterial issue है या viral issue है. But right now maximum 80 to 85% of all the diseases are lifestyle. ड्यू टू अवर लाइफस्टाइल. हमारे क्लाइंट है जिनको 10 साल से बीपी है. वी हैव रिवर्स्ड हिज बीपी एंड हिज मेडिकेशन इज कंप्लीटली स्टॉप. शुगर इज इक्वल टू cocaine. It is so much harmful in our body, which cocaine harms us. Doctors always are very saviors of the life. They are very good, but they treat only on symptoms of any disorders. We work on the causes and we work on the treatment of from the cause. I would like to recommend everyone who wanted to write a book through Wings Publication, as their journey becomes very smooth and very fast.
Hello friends, we are again with one more talented author today in this series where we talk to different authors, try and understand about their book and their book's theme and their specialty and their activities and how expert they are in their field. We talk to different authors from different field and different authorities. So obviously we have Miss Sheetal Godia today. So we will be talking to her on different aspects. The subject itself is very interesting. It is about nutrition, it is about health, it is about our overall well-being. So we will be talking to her. So welcome Sheetal ma'am, welcome on board, and thank you for joining in today, from taking time out from your busy schedule and talking to us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you very much for inviting.
Right.
I'm really grateful to talk with you after a very long time.
So let me briefly introduce the author to you so that we know, of course we know, but all our audience would know who is Sheetal and what she does. So basically Sheetal Godia is a serial entrepreneur. She is a certified nutritionist, certified health coach. She is a founder member of Arogya Vriddhi, that's her brand. And that brand works in the field of health and nutrition. She believes in changing lives, transforming people, building healthy and nation holistically. She believes in that. She has studied how we can live a disease-free and healthy lifestyle. She is an expert of diabetes, thyroid, PCOS, cardiovascular activities, nutrition, sports, vegan nutrition, and whatnot. She also runs a brand of healthy sweets and delicacies that's called NutriCare. We will be talking about that. I love sweets, and obviously I would love to know more about NutriCare. So I'll be talking about that. She believes in changing life, obviously living healthy life, and we will be talking to her how we can do that, how we can achieve that target. So as you see on the background of Sheetalji, that's her book, Nutrition and Health Culture in Every House. That's her book. That's rather Amazon best-selling book. The link to buy this book is available in the description below. You can just click on that link to book your copy, and that copy will be home delivered to you through Amazon. So that's her book. So welcome Sheetalji, welcome again.
Thank you so much, sir, for this stunning introduction. Very nice to hear that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. So my first question, what your book is all about?
Yeah, sir, my book is all about health. Coming to health sector, nutrition plays a very major role. Okay, so हम सोचते हैं कि जो हम खाते हैं वही हम होते हैं. Okay, so nutrition and food plays a very major role in our all the lifestyle, special you can say lifestyle disorders. आज हम देख रहे हैं कि पहले के जमाने में जो बीमारियां होती थी that was due to some major epidemics हो गया या फिर major bacterial issue है या viral issue है. But right now maximum 80 to 85% of all the diseases are lifestyle due to our lifestyle. So this is not a disease, actually this is a disorder. So my book is all about lifestyle disorder, which we can reverse it through nutrition and through our many minor small habits into lifestyle.
How difficult it is to change your lifestyle?
Sir, it's not difficult when we make a mind that we want to get rid of anything. So it's like पहले तो यहाँ पे आना चाहिए, माइंड सेट डेवलप होना चाहिए. एक बार माइंड सेट डेवलप हो गया देन इट इज वेरी सिंपल. ओके, बट बुरी आदतें लगने में बहुत टाइम नहीं लगता. अच्छी आदतों में
बुरी आदतें जल्दी लग जाती है, अच्छी आदतों को टाइम लगता है.
अच्छी आदतें अपनाने के लिए हमारी बॉडी भी टाइम लेती है, माइंड भी टाइम लेता है. सो वी कैन से मैक्सिमम बफर टाइम इज 3.5 months. Okay,
3 to 4 months.
yes, 3 to 4 months for any organ to accept that change.
अच्छा. और can you tell me for how long you are in this field of health and nutrition and disease reversal? कितने दिनों से काम कर रही है इस फील्ड में आप?
Sir, I'm there from more than 5 years. I was very much passionate, you can say, because there was a turning point in my life. I myself was facing with many health challenges. So this inspired me and I came out of all this and I thought that even I should help others. Okay, and मेरे help करने से if I'll be very much blessed and truly grateful to God that I can help at least a single life on this earth to transform their life. कि उनकी तकलीफों से मैं उनको अगर कहीं पे बाहर निकाल सकती हूँ then why not? I will try my whole life behind this.
Correct. So, when you started this journey of becoming a health coach, rather a certified health and nutrition coach, what was the aim or what was the target? What was the aspiration?
So the aspiration is I am a mother of two daughters. So I thought that being a mother and being one lady, if I can come out with my own stuff, I can come out of my health challenges, I will like to help all the ladies, especially mothers who is trapped into many diseases or you can say many disorder due to many cultural pressures. और यू कैन से मेनी प्रेगनेंसी इश्यू हो गया, डिलीवरी इश्यू हो गया, पोस्टपार्टम डिलीवरी. बिकॉज एक वुमेन की बॉडी में देर आर सो मेनी चेंजेस हैपनिंग एट अ डे, एट अ पर्टिकुलर इंटरवल ऑफ अ टाइम. सो ये सब चीजों में से बाहर निकालना इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी टफ कंपैरेटिवली टू मेन. सो आई थॉट दैट if I can help to ladies, my main target audience was ladies, especially the mothers and the working mothers, because they have to handle their office, their career, their children's, their house at the same time. So my target audience was that ki every mother, whether it is a homemaker or whether it is a career woman who is stepping out of the house, but they should live a healthy life and their family should also live a healthy life. That was a main aspiration of writing a book.
When you decided to write this book, how did you decide what you will write, what you will not write, what is going to be the scope, and how did you decide that?
Sir, I thought that my book should be there in every house. It should be a pillar of all the, actually it is generalized for all the person on the earth who wants to become a happy. But the target was that my book should be a guideline for the person who wants to live a healthy life. and to drive their family into the health of destination. सो उनके लिए एक गाइडलाइन होनी चाहिए कि हाँ ये बुक हमारी एक गाइडलाइन है कि हम इसे पढ़ के हमारी जिंदगी में काफी कुछ, अगर कहीं पे अटके हैं, कुछ डिसऑर्डर है, तो हम हमारी तरफ से ही कुछ लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस अपना के वी कैन जस्ट गेट रीड ऑफ दिस, बिकॉज आवर ह्यूमन बॉडी इज सो सिंपल सर, इट इज नॉट अ रॉकेट साइंस. इट हैज, गॉड ने जो क्रिएशन बनाया है एज ए ह्यूमन बॉडी, इट इज वेरी सिंपल. बस थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है एंड थोड़ा सा नॉलेज रखने की जरूरत है कि हम यहीं से कुछ शुरुआत करेंगे या कुछ बदलाव लाएंगे तो डेफिनेटली आवर बॉडी रिएक्ट्स एंड बॉडी स्टार्ट्स हीलिंग ऑन इट्स ओन. So the thing is only we should have some knowledge and some changes in habits.
अच्छा, अगर ये कोई भी लेडी हो या कोई भी जेंट्स हो, ये किताब आपकी परचेस करता है, पढ़ने के लिए लगता है, तो वो पढ़ेगा तो उसको उस बुक के अंदर क्या मिलेगा, क्या बेनिफिट्स होंगे उसकी?
सर मेरी बुक है ना, उसमें से फ्रॉम द पेज नंबर 1 टू लास्ट पेज तक इट्स अ गाइडलाइन. वो कहीं पे भी कुछ भी अटक नहीं सकता है एंड इट विल गिव यू अ वेरी गुड पाथवे टू लीड अ वेरी हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल. अगर कोई बंदा डायबिटीज के ट्रैप में अटका हुआ है या बीपी के ट्रैप में अटका हुआ है, with my book he will have a complete knowledge of nutrition, of food and of the lifestyle which he has to adopt to get rid of that lifestyle.
तो इसमें बच्चों के लिए भी ये कुछ है, एल्डरली लोगों के लिए भी कुछ है,
Yes.
जेंट्स के लिए, लेडीज के लिए भी सब, तो इट्स अ कंप्लीट पैकेज
Yeah.
फॉर एवरी हाउस एंड एवरी फैमिली, यू मीन टू से?
Yes, yes sir, it's for all the age group. एक्चुअली ये बुक लिखने का जो फ्यूचर इंटेंशन ये है कि आई एम वरीड अबाउट द किड्स ऑफ दिस जनरेशन राइट नाउ. Okay, that mothers, the target audience is mother. Why? Because mothers should have a health culture in every house. अगर mother will take a step of creating a health culture in their houses, तो वही culture में जब बच्चे बड़े होंगे, they will lead a very healthy life and it will pass forward to generation. So finally we are creating a legacy of health each and every house, and then we can create a huge healthy nation.
Correct. Just some time back we spoke about lifestyle diseases reversal, something like diabetes
Yes.
reversal, PCOD, PCOS, BP, thyroid. Can these things be really reversed?
Yeah sir, 100%. We
And
have
only with the
reversed.
help of nutrition and diet?
Yes, definitely we are working on that. Basically my Arogya Vriddhi firm is on working on this aspect only, that we only provide food, diet and supplement and nutrition, proper nutrition, and we make some changes in their minor lifestyle and people come out from all this. हमारे क्लाइंट है जिनको 10 साल से बीपी है, वी हैव रिवर्स्ड हिज बीपी एंड हिज मेडिकेशन इज completely stopped. We have
Oh,
many
very good.
clients with diabetes at the age of 52, 56, 65. तो उनकी डायबिटीज हमने रिवर्स करवाए हैं. रिवर्सल मीन्स वी हैव टू कम टू द पैरामीटर्स ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड पैरामीटर्स. अगर हम विद इन अ स्टैंडर्ड पैरामीटर्स ऑन द ब्लड टेस्ट आ जाते हैं, मीन्स वी आर वर्किंग ऑन द रिवर्सल. सो वो
Correct.
चीज रिवर्स हो चुकी है. हाँ, but after reversal also we need to follow the same lifestyle. Otherwise, this can again pop up.
हाँ.
But it is reversible. 110% it is reversible.
और शायद मैंने ये किताब पढ़ ली, मैंने कुछ चीजें समझी, कुछ पढ़ी, लेकिन मैं बोला नहीं, मुझे बुक से ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है मैम की आपकी पर्सनल कंसल्टेंसी लेने में. सो डू यू प्रोवाइड पर्सनल कंसल्टेंसी ऑल्सो?
Yes, sir. We do provide personal consultancy and we have several programs regarding all the different lifestyle disorders. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन देयर इंटेंसिटी कि कितनी हद तक वो आपको बीमार है. मतलब अगर डायबिटीज का पेशेंट है तो 2 साल पुराना भी हो सकता है, 10 साल पुराने भी हो सकते हैं. तो पहले 10 साल वालों को थोड़ा सा ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा, बट डेफिनेटली इट विल रिवर्स। 2 साल वाले को इट्स लाइक इट इज इन अ प्री डायबिटिक स्टेज, सो ही विल हील वेरी फास्टर। So we have different program based on the intensity of the disorder, and we provide, it starts from 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and we have the consultation every week, follow up with every week on their diet, on their lifestyle, on their improvement, on their changes. We provide them 24/7 support also. Once they join the program, we work on
हाँ,
their stress level, we work on their lifestyle, we work on their healing process, food, diet, everything.
fantastic. So, viewers, I'm going to give all the social media handles and contact details of Sheetal ma'am in the
Yeah.
description, so that if you want to have her consultancy, one-to-one consultancy, you want to contact her or you want to follow her on her social media, you will be easily able to do that. I'm going to mention all the details where she is available for your benefit, and
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
her valuable guidance will definitely help you. So
Thank you.
please don't forget to check the description box.
Thank you.
So, regarding your book, how long it took you to write a book?
सर फ्रैंकली बताओ तो कभी मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि आई विल राइट अ बुक। हाँ, बट समवेयर आई वाज थिंकिंग, बिकॉज वन ऑफ माय रिलेटिव टोल्ड दैट यू आर सिंस वर्किंग इन दिस फील्ड, सो व्हाई डोंट यू राइट द बुक। तो वो एक दिमाग में था कि आई वांटेड टू राइट अ बुक, बट आई वाज हैविंग एन इम्प्रेशन कि इट्स अ वेरी लेंथी प्रोसेस to write the book, to get it published. It takes years and years. But when I came across Wings publication, it was just कि I thought I wrote and I published. It was so simple. The process was so simple and very much fast that I was not able to believe that I can write a book at least within a 6 months. I took maybe 1.5 months to write the book. That was too fast because
Mm-hmm.
I attended Kailashi ka webinar, and I have learned the process of writing, how to write the book very fast. So that was
Correct.
a very much great body structure was formed in front of me, how to write a book in 30 days. I followed that procedure and it was really amazing experience. And I completed my book within the target. And that time my anniversary was going to come. I was having a puja at home, and my target was that before puja, I wanted to give this to my husband, and Wings publication actually made it. Thank you so much.
We are very happy that we could be part of this journey. We are very happy that we could support you in your plan. And then obviously, we could do things the way you wanted them to be.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
You made dream come true.
So, how was your publishing journey? From the day you actually stopped writing or finished writing, till the time you had your copy in hand, how was this journey?
It was truly struggling and very much interesting, you can say. Starting was a bit hesitating because I never wrote. This is my first book. So it was really something different experience. But the day goes, I actually just fixed in my mind that I wanted to create a consistency in writing. Every day, whatever is the length, but I will write the book. Whatever, what to write, how to write, I don't know, but I have to write it. So I have stick to that point that I started writing every day. And as the day went, maybe on 10th or 12th day, it was so interesting that I could never stop my thoughts.
Mm-hmm.
So at one day I completely stretched to around 75 pages.
Oh,
But
in one day.
yes, in one day, because I sat whole day for writing that day. It was so interesting. Many things were coming in the mind. I don't want to stop that flow. So, but in that 75, I think I deleted around 20 to 25 pages. I thought it is not up to the mark.
Still 50 pages in one day is a big thing.
Yes. So
Uh-huh.
it was a very actually you can say tiring also, interesting also. 2-3 days continuously I didn't slept in that journey. Huh, but after that, I maintained the consistency of writing 3 hours in a day, and I completed the book. And the struggling part was the editing part, which I was very much tired after completing the book. It was like I am totally exhausted of my thoughts. I just don't want to write a book now. I don't want to think about the
I don't
content
want to
of
look
the
at
book.
it.
Yes, I was so much exhausted, but I took a break of 2 days. Then again, I started, I opted for the edition part, that if somebody can edit for me, but I didn't found a correct person. And my husband told me that no, there is no point of giving edition to anybody. If you have written the book, you have to, whole essence will go off. So you have to do editing. I took the break of 2 days. I edited my book. Even that was a very struggling journey, but somehow it got completed, and I was very much happy the day I completed the book. From that day till the day I got the copy in my hand, I was so much anxious that when I'll get my book, when I'll get my book.
We
It was
also,
very awaiting.
when some author talks to us and expresses the will and the wish to give this book to the editor, external editor, we try and discourage that, because once this work is given to some external party, his thought process is different, your thought process is different, his skill level, your skill level is different, and obviously when he will start changing the content
Yeah.
the way you have written it, the whole soul of the book or whole flavor of the books might get lost. I'm not saying that it will
Yes.
get lost, but there are high amount of chances that that person will change the things as per his perception, and that perception may not be in alignment with the author's perception.
Yes.
So it
True.
might happen that he removes certain things, or he adds certain things which are not matching with your personality. So
True.
the soul gets lost.
Yes.
So we always recommend that if you can do it, please take your time, but you do it yourself. But
Yeah.
for some reason you are not able to do it, you are busy, you're traveling or not well or something, then of course external help is always available. So that should be your plan B, not the plan A.
True.
Correct, correct.
So with the same thought process, I have done my editing, and editing took a very long time. But yeah, it was completed, and then it was a feeling of relaxation. Yeah, I have completed the book writing project once and for all, and in one shot, actually. So this was never thought in the life that I will write a book on something. Okay, I have written on something which is related to my field, but the feeling of satisfaction was not there when I was only into consultation. But
Mhm.
this is my own product, my own journey towards life, and my own wishes, and my intentions to transform people life. Something great.
When this book came out and then people started buying it, and you must have also gifted few copies to your near and dear ones.
Yes.
What was the response? What was the reaction?
Sir, when my book came, we went to first to seminar that was related to heart health with my co-founder of Arogya Vriddhi. We just attended a seminar, and there we met 2-3 politicians and celebrities there, and I offered the book, and they were so amazed that, oh, you have written the book on this whole subject, you have written it. They were so much amazed. They took so many photographs, and they introduced ourselves to one of the Fasta Pizza is the company which is based in Chennai. They were having a stall, and they are the company which makes pizza in a nutritious way, in a gluten-free way.
Uh-huh.
So they have introduced us that these are the nutritionists who can come on board in your company to review your product or to change your product style. So they offered us the package, job package, of 1 year for the pasta pizza brand, which is upcoming in Bangalore also and Mumbai also. So
Mm-hmm.
this was the first achievement which I got after publishing immediately. And
This opportunity door was opened because of the book, you can say that.
yes, yes. So now we are a nutritionist in that brand. Apart from this, we are working as a Arogya Vriddhi, and our business has actually boomed after publishing this book. We got a top-notch clients in Arogya Vriddhi. So you can say a very much blooming growth in Arogya Vriddhi's business.
Fantastic, fantastic. So you run one sweet company also, one sweet brand
Yeah.
also. Please tell me about it. I'm a sweet lover myself, and I really don't know whether the sweets offered by you will be healthy, nutritional, and whether with a diabetes can someone have it, and what are the pros and cons of that brand. Please tell me more about that.
Sir, basically, we are into diabetes reversal. That is our forte, right? So, we have got many clients who are very much hesitate of taking at least a sugar, 1 spoon of sugar in a tea also, uh, instead of tea lovers. But we actually feel their hesitation, their restriction towards the food. Maybe during the festival season or any occasions in their house or any function, they are not able to enjoy at the most. And food is like a love to the body, right? So they are not able to enjoy the food sweets. So we thought that being a nutritionist, and I am a passionate chef. I was owning a restaurant. Before
Oh.
nutritionist journey, I was a restaurant owner. I was an entrepreneur. So that time, like I was from that time, I am a passionate chef. So I thought, let us start a sweet journey, sweets in a new avatar,
Mm-hmm.
with my new brand called NutriCare, so that my people or people who are suffering from lifestyle disorder, who are restricted towards their food patterns, that who are not able to enjoy their life, okay, they feel incomplete without the food. I don't want that in their life. So we thought we will create a new brand called NutriCare with the sweets, with the nutritional values, and with all the healthy options. Like for an example, sweets is for sugar, ठीक है,
Correct.
मीठा, sweets means मीठा. But how good it will be when we replace sugar, because sugar is equal to cocaine, you can say. It is
Mm-hmm.
so much harmful in our body, which cocaine harms us. So
Oh.
sugar is equal to cocaine. You can just imagine sugar is equal to cocaine. अब मुझे sugar नहीं चाहिए मेरे sweets में, then I can replace sugar with natural sugars, like I can replace with honey, I can replace with jaggery, I can replace with dates, I can replace with अंजीर, I can replace with raisins. तो इतने सारे शुगर के ऑप्शंस है. तो we are making
Why to
sweets
go
with
for
all these
processed
options.
sugar?
Yes. So we are making sweets with all these options.
Mm-hmm.
ओके, अभी स्वीट्स दूध से बनती है, बट अगेन मिल्क इज समवेयर हार्मफुल फॉर आवर बॉडी इन लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर्स. सो व्हाई रिप्लेसिंग, वी कैन रिप्लेस मिल्क विथ मिलेट्स, वी कैन रिप्लेस मिल्क विथ ग्लूटेन फ्री मिलेट्स. सो ऐसे ही हमने एक एक ऑप्शंस को रिप्लेस करते करते वी हैव डिजाइंड स्वीट का रेसिपीज इन दैट वे that it is very much healthy and it is guilt free.
And if someone wants to buy these sweets, where can he buy? Are these sweets readily available?
Yes, it's readily available. It's made to order, and right now we have just opened a new brand, maybe 1 month old. But we are getting so much love and support from the people that we are getting orders globally. We
Oh.
are supplying to, we have 3 international orders as of now. We have supplied to Australia, we have supplied to Canada, we have supplied to UK. So we have 3 international orders also, and we are working pan India delivery. And almost you can say every day we are having 5 kilos order every day.
Wow. Fantastic. So your brand is getting popular day by day.
Yeah.
Okay. And you just mentioned that these are made to order sweets, right?
Yes, it's made to orders. We are not keeping as of stock because it's made up of premium quality of nuts and seeds with pure ghee. So nuts and sweets को हम ज्यादा देर तक हम लोग ऐसे स्टॉक में नहीं रख सकते because it's a natural. We are not inserting any artificial flavors or any preservatives in our sweets. So हमारी
तो
sweets की
शेल्फ लाइफ लिमिटेड है उसकी.
shelf life is around 20 to 25 days, but we are not keeping it in a stock as of now. It is made to order. So once you place the order, you will get it by 3 to 4 days.
So you will send those sweets to any buyer through courier.
Yeah, we have a logistics, so we courier it.
So people
Doorstep
from
delivery.
all over India, rather all over globe can order, and then you will make these
Yes,
sweets
sir.
available to
Yes,
them,
sir.
right?
Once they place the order, we execute the order within 3 days. And once the order is made, same day we make sure that we dispatch the order same day, so that they can get it within 3 4 days and they can enjoy.
Okay, wonderful. I also must try something from your sweet menu.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. Anytime you can place the order.
I'm a sweet lover myself, but
Yeah.
again, I avoid using processed sugar. But now, when you have given so many other options which are healthy,
Yes.
and obviously without compromising on the taste front, I'm sure this is going to be fun.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. You will, once you order, you will recommend so much that we can get 10 clients from your end.
For sure, for sure. So now, when this book is over and now this journey is over, what are you working on as a next project?
So next project is my daughter and my some clients also. My co-founder was also suggesting that as a chef, you are a nutritionist, you are a chef, so why don't you try a short recipe book for all the recipes, replacing the healthy ingredients in each and every recipes. Example, halwa, you can say. So halwa can be made with shira, sorry, रवा का शीरा बोलते हैं, but that rava can be replaced with a healthy millet called as a bajra or a jawar. So I make all this kind of recipes in a healthy version. Sandwiches, in sandwiches we use bread, but bread can be replaced with paratha, or you can say gluten
Mhm.
free bajra ka roti. Even with bajra ka roti you can make a sandwich. So all these recipes I am trying in my house. I am actually inculcating that health culture in my house, providing a healthy version in each recipe. So my co-founder was telling, why don't you write a recipe book as a nutritionist, replacing the healthy ingredients in your all the form of recipes. So that is it's in my mind. And the other option is I wanted to write a book on thyroid. So what is there?
Specific thyroid.
Yeah, specific thyroid.
In this book, you have spoken about thyroid, diabetes, BP, arthritis.
Yeah, I have totally included each and every lifestyle disorders short wise, but I wanted to write specific on thyroid.
Thyroid is such a big concern where you think that
Yes.
a special book is needed for that.
Yeah. Maybe the content would be a small. Maybe it will be restricted to 150 or 160 pages. But still, I wanted to address how important it is for people to come out of this, because it thyroid is a gland which controls all whole body. So we need to understand about the hormones and hormonal imbalance which is creating in thyroid, and thyroid also affects the mental capacity of the people, their nature. So many changes will be there in thyroid patients. I wanted to
Okay.
address the same concern.
Interesting. Next question. When you were writing your book and when you were preparing the structure and then you were struggling a lot to complete it within time and everything, was there any wow moment or aha moment that yes, today I feel special and today it's something different than the usual? ऐसा कुछ हुआ था?
Aha moment was when I was writing the last chapter of my book, sir. That was reversal of diabetes. Sorry, reversal of lifestyle disorders. I just came across the thought that our body, our human body, is our house. Our soul is we residing in our house. So why we are making our house so dirty by indulging into a wrong habits or wrong food, कि हम हमारी शरीर में इतना कचरा डाल रहे हैं. Why we are doing that? Because our house is our body is our house, and we should treat our house as we are a landlord, not a tenant. हम हमारे शरीर में ऐसे रहते हैं जैसे कि हम टेनेंट है, ये दूसरे का घर है, हम कचरा डालते ही रहते हैं, डालते ही रहते हैं. बट व्हाई डोंट वी डेवलप अ माइंड सेट दैट वी आर अ लैंडलॉर्ड ऑफ दिस हाउस एंड वी हैव टू कीप अवर हाउस क्लीन. तो ये जब थॉट आया, इट वाज रियली वेरी मच कि आई फेल्ट अ गूज बम्स कि ये थॉट अगर सब लोग में आ जाए तो हम मतलब एक बार नहीं, हम 100 बार, 10 बार, 100,000 बार सोचेंगे कुछ हाथ में लेने के पहले या मुंह में डालने के पहले कि क्या ये चीज
ये
हमारे बॉडी
न्यूट्रिशन है
को.
क्या कचरा है?
यस, करेक्ट. कि ये हमारी बॉडी में जाके हार्म करेगी या हमें फायदा देगी, या इट विल प्रमोट अ हेल्थ और इट विल डेफिनेटली अफेक्ट अवर हेल्थ. सो अगर ये थॉट सब लोग में आ जाए ना तो एक्चुअली रिवॉल्यूशन में आने के लिए देर नहीं लगेगी. बट ये समझने के लिए वी शुड हैव दैट माइंडसेट एंड वी शुड हैव अ प्रॉपर नॉलेज. दिस वाज द आहा मोमेंट कि आई कुड थिंक अबाउट दिस एंड आई कुड राइट इन माय चैप्टर.
अब मैं आपसे दो मैसेजेस चाहता हूं. पहला मैसेज पहले लेंगे, उसके बाद दूसरा मैसेज लेंगे. पहला मैसेज, एज अ हेल्थ कोच, इस फील्ड का एक एक्सपर्ट या इस फील्ड का एक जानकार या उस फील्ड का एक अथॉरिटी, आप लोगों को क्या सलाह देना चाहोगे फ्रॉम द हेल्थ एंगल कि ये करोगे तो फायदा होगा, ये करोगे तो नुकसान होगा, इस एंगल से क्या क्या लोगों को सलाह होगी आपकी?
सर, एक्चुअली देर इज बहुत सारे लैक ऑफ नॉलेज है लोगों के बीच में. कि जैसे हम क्लाइंट्स को पहली बार मिलते हैं, दे आर नॉट इन अ प्रॉपर माइंडसेट. सो वी फील दैट दे फील दैट व्हाट इज अवर रोल एज अ हेल्थ कोच और अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, कि ये क्या बताएंगे, ये क्यों इतना बोल रहे हैं, हमें तो डॉक्टर ने ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं है कुछ करने के लिए, ये क्या डॉक्टर से भी बड़े हो गए हैं क्या. सो दिस mentality comes across us in our consultation. But I wanted to give you the message that doctors always are very saviors of the life, they are very good, but they treat only on symptoms of any disorders. अगर आपको डायबिटीज है, शुगर लेवल ज्यादा है, तो शुगर को कम करने के लिए या मेंटेन करने के लिए दे विल गिव यू प्रॉपर मेडिकेशन. बट व्हाट इज आवर रोल? we work on the causes and we work on the treatment of from the cause. कि आपको डायबिटीज है तो डायबिटीज का लेवल क्यों बढ़ रहा है, व्हाट इज रॉन्ग इन योर फूड एंड लाइफस्टाइल. सो वी वर्क ऑन द मेन रूट कॉज. तो हम रूट कॉज पे काम करेंगे, तब जाके वो शुगर लेवल धीरे 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 कम होगा या नाबूद होगा. बट जो डॉक्टर्स जो मेडिकेशन प्रिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, दैट विल ओनली हेल्प इन मेंटेनिंग द शुगर लेवल, नॉट टू eradicate the sugars from your blood. Okay. So I just wanted to give a message to the people that the role of nutrition and health coaches come first before going to the doctors. अगर आप कोई न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट या हेल्थ कोचेस के पास पहले जाते हो, दे विल वर्क ऑन द रूट कॉज वो नौबत ही नहीं लेके आएंगे कि आपको डॉक्टर्स के पास जाना पड़े।
करेक्ट, करेक्ट।
ठीक है, सो द रोल।
बीमार होने के बाद जो कुछ करना है उसके लिए डॉक्टर है,
डॉक्टर
और
है,
बीमार ही ना पड़ो उसके
उसके
लिए हेल्थ
लिए
कोच है।
हेल्थ कोचेस एंड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट।
अच्छा,
यही
गुड।
मैसेज मैं लोगों को देना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज लोगों आज मेरे घर पे भी खुद मेरे एल्डर्स भी बोलते हैं हमें तो डॉक्टर ने कुछ बोला ही नहीं है, आप क्यों बोल रहे हो। सो यहाँ पे हमारी अथॉरिटी को क्वेश्चन आ जाता है।
करेक्ट, करेक्ट। नाउ सेकंड मैसेज। अभी आपने ये ऑथर जर्नी, बुक की जर्नी कंप्लीट कर ली, आपने एंजॉय करी, बहुत मेहनत करी, सब कुछ किया। नाउ अगर कोई आपको पूछता है कि मुझे भी बुक लिखनी है, मुझे भी ऑथर बनना है, मुझे गाइड करिए कि कैसे होगा, तो उसके लिए क्या मैसेज होगा आपका?
सर मैसेज है कि इट्स अ वेरी गुड थॉट कि बुक इज द ओनली सोर्स जहां से इट इज अ सोर्स ऑफ प्योर नॉलेज। तो अगर कोई इतना टैलेंटेड है एंड दे आर वेरी मच एक्सपर्ट इन देयर ओन फील्ड, तो उन्हें डेफिनेटली किसी को गाइड करने के लिए बुक लिखना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी हो जाता है। दैट्स व्हाट आई मीन टू से, बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया पे ज्यादा अवेयरनेस तो हो रही है, बट एक बुक लिखने में और एक वीडियो बनाने में काफी अंतर है। एंड इट इज ट्रूली ट्रूली बुक के अलावा कोई और चीज इतना वास्ट नॉलेज नहीं दे पाता। सो आई विल डेफिनेटली गाइड देम विथ माय होल सोर्सेस, and I would like to recommend everyone who wanted to write a book through Wings publication, as their journey becomes very smooth and very fast.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। So here we come towards the end of this interview, जहां पे शीतल मैम ने हमसे दिल खोल के बातें की, उनके जर्नी के बारे में, थॉट प्रोसेस के बारे में, उनके फ्यूचर प्लान्स के बारे में, करंट अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज जो कर रही है उनके बारे में। आई एम थ्रिल्ड, आई एम अमेज्ड कि मैडम आप क्या क्या कर लेती है, कि मजा भी आ गया
Thank you so much, sir.
और लोगों का भला भी हो गया। तो so thank you very much for connecting with us again today.
Thank you so much.
बहुत मजा आया आपके साथ बात करके। ऑडियंस के लिए मैं वापस से बोल देता हूँ कि ये जो बुक है, न्यूट्रिशन एंड हेल्थ कल्चर इन एवरी हाउस, ये अमेजोन के ऊपर अवेलेबल है। ये अमेजोन नंबर 1 बेस्ट सेलिंग बुक बनी है। ये बुक अमेजोन के ऊपर अवेलेबल है। इसकी परचेसिंग लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा। अगर किसी को अपनी कॉपी रिजर्व करनी है, यू कैन जस्ट गो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, क्लिक ऑन द लिंक, बाय इट फ्रॉम देयर एंड द बुक विल बी होम डिलीवर्ड टू यू। सेकेंडली, मैम से कनेक्ट करिए इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन टेकिंग हर पर्सनल कंसल्टेंसी। अगर आपको कोई हेल्थ चैलेंजेस है, हेल्थ कंसर्न्स है, वेर यू थिंक एक्सपर्ट nutritionist or expert health coach can only help you reverse your problems, gain your health again, ऐसा कुछ है आपका कंसर्न, तो मैम्स के साथ कनेक्ट करिए। उनके सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स, उनके कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स वो भी मैं आपको दे दूंगा नीचे। एंड ऑब्वियसली उनसे और आप जुड़ सकते हैं, उनकी जो स्वीट्स है उसका आनंद ले सकते हैं बाय ऑर्डरिंग अ स्पेशल स्वीट स्पेशली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर यू एज पर द वे यू वांट। उनके साथ बात करिए, उनको अपनी नीड, अपना चॉइस, अपना टेस्ट बताइए। शी विल डेफिनेटली प्रिपेयर अ ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी टेस्टी स्वीट फॉर यू, एंड वो भी आपको घर तक पहुंच जाएगा। सो ये सारी चीजें, इन सब चीजों की लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा। आप यू कैन श्योरली टेक बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दैट। एंड शीतल जी, आपने इतनी ब्यूटीफुल किताब लिखी है, हर किसी को इससे फायदा होगा। आई एम श्योर जो भी कोई पढ़ेगा उसको आनंद आएगा, उसको एक अच्छी हेल्थ मिलेगी। ऑब्वियसली पर्सनल कंसल्टेंसी के लिए तो आप है ही, स्वीट्स प्रोवाइड करने के लिए भी आप है। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच, आप आए, हमसे बात की, अपने बिजी शेड्यूल में से टाइम निकाला। गॉड ब्लेस यू। थैंक यू
Thank you
वेरी
so
मच।
much, sir. Thank you very much.
टेक केयर। थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you, sir.